Hello. Today we are going to discuss the use of formula if in Microsoft Excel. Now basically this formula is used when you want to categorize some data or you want to have some specific output based on some condition. So right now we are having data of systolic blood pressure here and diastolic blood pressure, and we would try to categorize this blood pressure level based on the criteria that are mentioned here into mild hypertension, moderate hypertension and severe hypertension. Now for the understanding purpose, for initially we will be concentrating only on systolic blood pressure for learning the formula if. So we are hiding this column of diastolic blood pressure. Now I want to categorize this systolic blood pressure based on this criteria into mild hypertension, moderate hypertension and severe hypertension. So for that we need to first understand how the formula if works. So here we would try to apply just one criteria, that is for mild hypertension. What we will do, we would try to mark the level of 140 or above as mild hypertension. So for that we would start to use the formula if. We would mark initial with equal to sign and write the formula if, and then we press tab. So it will give us the criteria or the structure of that formula. First thing that it asks is a logical test. Logical test means what criteria you want to define. Here we are working with systolic blood pressure and we want to define that if it is more than or equal to 140, then we want to categorize it as a mild hypertension. So what we will do, we will say that if this value in this cell A2 is more than or equal to 140, then what if value is true, what we would to mark or write if this value is more than 140. We want to write it as a mild hypertension, right? And second condition that we need to give is what we would have as an outcome if the criteria does not meet. Here we want to keep it as a blank, suppose. So we will mark it as double F stop and eventually we will close the parenthesis. So what we get here is a blank cell. We can also mark it as a normotensive patient or normotensive person. So we get normotensive as an outcome. When we double click here, it will get applied to all the data up to the last data, and we can easily note here that those numbers which are more than 140 has been marked as mild hypertension. So this is comparatively a simple formula to get an effective outcome. Now our actual problem was to mark the data of more than 140 as mild hypertension. If systolic blood pressure is more than 160, then moderate hypertension, and if it is more than 180, then mark it as a severe hypertension. So for that we need to use nested if formula. Means we need to add another if formula in this existing formula that we have already applied. So what we have done here in this formula, that we have put a condition. If the condition is true, the outcome would be this. If the condition is not true or is not being fulfilled, then outcome will be this one, that is normotensive. So we need to nest another if formula in this value if false. If the condition is not met, what should be the outcome? In this we need to nest another formula that if this A2 is more than or equal to 160, then we have or we need to have moderate hypertension, and if this condition, that is A2 is more than or equal to 160, is not met, we again want it to be blank, and we need to press the enter. Now when I press this enter, you will be seeing that rather than getting the output according to this formula, that if the level is less than 140, it should be blank. If it is more than or equal to 140, it should be mild hypertension, and if it is more than or equal to 160, it should be moderate hypertension, will not eventually get applied. We will see into result actually. So here it is 120, so it is blank. When I drag this down, we can see here that in this kind of data, like this one here, down, yeah, that is 183. Still it is being marked as mild hypertension, not the moderate one, which should be there. So the issue here is two conditions are being applied to this one. The number is more than or equal to 140, as well as it is more than or equal to 160. So what the formula mentions, that this is the first condition, that if it is more than 140, it should be marked as mild hypertension. So this condition supersedes this one, as this is being applied first, and that's the reason that even if the level is more than 160, it is being marked as mild hypertension, right, even though it is more than 160. So what is the solution for this? How we can have solution to this problem? Now it can be solved in two ways. Either we go from the lower category to the higher category in one by one nested formula. So either we can start with more than 180 from here, more than or equal to 180, then we write formula for more than or equal to 160, then we can write the formula for this one, and eventually for the normal one if all these three are not getting fulfilled, or we need to go reverse. So here we would try to go through this one, that first we will take into consideration this level, then this level, and then this level. So what we need to write here is, if A2 is more than or equal to 180, that is the greatest or highest level of classification, right, then it should be severe hypertension. If then we go to the next, if it is more than 160, it should be moderate hypertension. Again we need to nest another formula for this mild hypertension, that if this value is more than or equal to 140, then we want it as a mild hypertension, else it will be left as blank, or we can have normal, right, and I press enter. It has shown an error because one of the parentheses that I have forgot to put. So when we drag it down, now we again check for that 187 level, 183 level, it is mentioned as severe hypertension. So by this we can solve this problem. The another way to do this is, we go from the lower to higher level. That is, we can do like this, that if A2 is less than 140, that is this level, then we want it as a normal. Okay, let me write the whole formula again. Then it is normal. Then next one, if it is less than 160, then it is mild hypertension. If third one, that is less than 180. If this is less than 180, sorry, yeah, then it is moderate hypertension. Otherwise it will be severe hypertension. Again the same error I put yes, as I forgot to put all the parentheses for completion. And if we move to 183, it is severe hypertension. This is also severe hypertension, this one is moderate one. So we can get solution of this kind of nested if formula through this. So that is the basic principle, that we need to move from lowest to highest category or highest to the lowest category. So for practice, I am also attaching this Excel sheet into the description. You can practice this for this diastolic blood pressure, and in next video we may learn how to apply both this one, that if the level is above either of them, it should be coming as mild hypertension. If it is higher than either of this, it should be moderate hypertension. If it is higher than either of this, it should be severe hypertension. Goodbye till then. See you in next video. Thank you.